Why is there so many?
The final
Tony,
level.
this is it.
This is it.
Tony.
This is what we've been training our lives for.
This is it, Luigi.
Look at that. That's all me, all me.
It's time for the final chapter of our journey.
Yep.
Our journey is coming to an end, friends.
Chapter 8.
The Vault.
The Vault.
Woohoo!
Look at that. There's like searchlights and everything. That's pretty cool.
I like it.
All right. Is it gonna be any different than the other levels?
Probably very difficult considering this is the hardest level. I got gem. Oh,
Nice. Oh, I see what you have to do.
like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? There we go. You are an idiot. Good job, stupid.
No.
Wait, there's spite. Oh, we gotta throw each other. Okay, we gotta time it. Come down. Climb this. Wait.
There you go.
Go. Throw. You idiot. I told you to throw.
Oh, we have to throw? Well, that's dumb. Oh, bye. Oh, there's yarn.
I shall grab the yarn. Oh, I'm down here. Never mind.
Oh,
Yarn is mine. Woohoo! Oh, that's cool.
oh, that's kind of cool.
That's cool. That's pretty damn cool.
Yeah, you had to dodge all of them, but not for like. You know,
And then
also
we
make
fly all the way to the end. And there's no blocks. How convenient.
Did it?
Let me up. Let me up. Ah!
Come on, Tony.
I
You
got this.
And go. And go on the explosives. Now jump.
I know how to do this,
up.
Andrew. Shit.
No.
Ha! No! Oh, I hate this. I'll show how to do it. Watch this.
Oh yeah. Let's see this.
Speed
Watch
run.
This.
Oh,
Oh, speed run.
Fuck!
Speed run. Tony, just stand on it and then wait for the double jump. When
I know how to do it.
And double jump. No. Come on, Tony. Oh.
easy. And I see
No.
this back here. I see this back here. You think you guys are
No,
clever?
I tried to save you, and then I ended up paying the price for it.
Save me by how?
I was gonna like try to like get you up, and then
Ow.
and then I died.
And I'm all the way back down here. How convenient.
How to rock?
How do we get? We need to disable buttons somehow.
Yeah. Oh, what the hell? Okay.
Oh, up here. Ow.
Yeah. I know.
Why am I all the way back here?
But
That's
how do
more
you-
like it.
Oh, Tony. I got
Yeah.
it.
Double jump.
Yeah. Okay. I need to like make sure I don't die though.
Ease.
There. I don't know if you're actually supposed to do that, but I don't care.
Hey! Oh, and then we do this.
Nice.
Except don't die.
Oh no.
Oh
way.
no,
Wow.
we have Gur the robot here. Let's try to throw.
All right, throw.
Throw!
That way.
Other way, stupid. There. Get the rock off the button.
Oh, I get it. Okay.
Ah!
Oh, what? Oh.
Oh wait,
I
I know
get
the
it.
destination. We want the rock down there.
Yeah.
See on that
Needs to
platform?
It needs to drop. Tony, drop it.
No, hang on. No, no, what are you doing? Don't do it. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. We gotta do
Okay.
stuff. I think.
No, I'm pretty sure you have to do this first.
Alright, fine. Watch. I'll show you what happens. Stupid.
Oh, Tony.
How's it my fault? Excuse me. Thank you very much. How's it my fault? It's
Oh,
not
we
my
have to
fault.
like throw it at the same time as that
Oh!
thing is.
There.
Okay.
Furry man.
Oh. Because that makes total sense.
It's kind of stuck on him now.
It's not even on him. What are you
It's on
talking
the
about?
side.
Oh,
You
fuck.
idiot!
That wasn't my fault.
How? How's it not your fault? Whose fault? Who should I blame then? Obama? Who? Who should I blame? Joe Biden? Should I blame Donald Trump?
I should blame you.
Bruh.
Fuck.
No!
Oh, you idiot.
Fuck you, you're the idiot.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
No. No, that way. Yeah, that way. No, for fuck's sake, Tony.
It's so difficult.
No! You idiot. I hate you.
He's going all the way back.
Fucking idiot. No!
You get so pissed off.
I'm not pissed off. I'm great. Oh, for fuck's
Good
sake.
job. Look what you did.
This is your. I blame you.
Well,
for-
good.
What?
You. It's all the way back at square one, baby.
You know what you do? Really? For fuck's sake. All right, let's do this.
All right, first try.
This way.
Then
push.
this way.
Then fuck you.
Fuck you.
No!
He's so close. Let him go. Now go.
There we go.
Finally.
Now-
Let's go.
We did it, boys.
We did it.
We just
We
saved
did
the
it.
world.
Well, boys, we did it. Ah! Go. Are you
fuck's
stupid? You know what?
I
You
am
do it then.
stupid.
You do it then. I'll show you how it's done. Easy.
You're a fucking idiot.
How am I the idiot? All your fault.
No, Tony.
It's all your fault. Like literally everything. Look, all your fault. All your fault. Literally.
All your-
This is all your fault. I swear to God. Okay. You know the Holocaust was your fault. 9/11 was your fault. This is also your fault.
Tony.
Ah!
You.
Stand on a button, idiot. Stupid.
for it.
You're
I was
dumb.
waiting for.
You're so dumb. There. Oh
Okay.
my, are you
I gotta
dumb?
wait. Alright.
There.
Hurry up.
Stupid. Yo, press that button.
Okay,
The
I
one
gotta
right up-
wait until the laser. Go.
Ah!
No. And now push.
Ah!
All right.
I'm at the edge of my seat, Andrew. Press the button.
I have to wait. Go.
I'm at the edge of my seat. There we go. See? How hard was that? Oh, no! No! No!
It's your fault.
Oh, your fault, buddy. Get in. Stupid. All your fault. Literally everything's your fault. I swear, what the fuck? Am I stuck here now? How do I get in?
Hold on. Give me a minute.
Literally all your fault. Like I've said, all your fault. Ah! All your fault. All your
like
fault.
I said, all your fault.
Yeah, like I said, all your fault. Wait a sec, why would I want to push this? Oh! See, all your fault. Stupid. Oh, wait. This is
No, you-
why.
Oh. Oh, god damn it.
Ah!
No, do not touch that ball. You were not supposed to touch the ball.
It's
There.
fine now. Move! Literally all your fault, I swear.
I was trying
All
to help
your fault. In fucking butt. Get the fuck. Excuse. No, no, no. Stupid. Stupid fucking bird.
Oh, Tony.
What do you want?
For fuck's sake.
Oh, one of us has to.
Yeah.
Are you stupid? We can't
You're
do
an
it
idiot.
now. You're the idiot.
Press it. No.
I gotta be quick.
Press it. Step on the cloud.
I can't.
Oh, you're supposed to step on the cloud.
How?
Because
What do you mean I'm supposed to step on the cloud? I won't go
you,
through.
like, you hit. No, because you have to hit the bomb and then jump on the cloud, wait for all of them to explode, and then jump through.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, whatever.
All your
did it.
fault. All your fault
All
again.
my-
Like I
all my
said.
fault.
Like I said. All your fault. I swear to God. Everything that happens in this game is your fault.
Okay.
You know, to be honest, the reason why Hattie is captured in the first place is probably your fault.
That's true. I accept that. Oh,
Ow! I got stabbed twice.
You got stabbed twice. Well, you probably deserved it.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, well. Fuck.
The piggy is now free. Come, my
free.
friend. Me and you, we will go on adventures, you and me. Oh wait.
Oh.
Oh, that's what the bridge is for.
Yeah, probably.
Get on the bridge, sir. For me and Piggy need to get across. Why are you up there? There we go.
I don't know. It's just one of you.
Let's go,
That
Piggy.
way.
Woohoo!
Come on, pig. Lead us to victory. What about
Woohoo!
me? What?
Oh.
Oh. I see. How do I call it?
You gotta call the Piggy.
Oh. Ah, yes.
Piggy, I'm literally crying for help. How do you not see me?
Wait, what do?
You gotta cry.
How do you cry again?
I don't know. I'm playing with controller. Are you playing with keyboard?
Oh, there
There
you
it is. Stupid.
go.
Big dumbass.
Big dumbass.
Wait a sec. How do we get over here?
Ah,
Oh.
yes.
Wait.
Throw.
It's gotta be. The only way is throw. Come here, my friend. Oh wait, but look, I gotta bounce off the lava, so stand right here.
Uh.
We gotta let go as soon as I get bounced.
Okay.
There it is. See?
There we go.
Woohoo! Thank you.
There we go. All right, now down here.
Just a bunch of saws, big deal. I've played Super Meat Boy. I can deal with this shit. It's not like this is hard or anything. See? See? Look, I got
Wow,
past
you-
it.
you
I
did
did
it.
it.
Good
Look,
job.
I'm too good.
You're actually too good at this game, Tony.
I am, I know.
Oh, throw.
Good job. See, if that were me, I would have jumped. See, look, I jumped
Oh.
over that grenade. Watch, I also jump over that one. This one, fuck.
All right, Tony. We got this.
We got easy.
Take two.
Woohoo! What the fuck? Why is that there?
Take three. Take four.
Take 7. Fuck me. Take 5. Take 6.
Okay. Now.
Take 7.
It's whenever they all go.
I
down
know.
the left side.
No, god damn it, that was the one.
Take 21.
Take
112. Take 112.
Oh! See, all me. I'm too good. Too good.
You're just way too good at this game.
I'm too good, Andrew.
Wait, what the hell am I supposed to do?
Fall.
Okay, Tony, that's.
Wait, why did I get spawned back here? Didn't I get a checkpoint? What? Hey, idiot! Oh shit! No!
You know what? Maybe
Ah! See, what did I tell you? All your fault. All right, throw. Get over here. Idiot! No. Throw. Stupid. Throw. There we go.
Yes.
See? How do I get over there now?
Oh wait, I get it.
Oh,
Hold
you
on.
gotta press the bridge. That doesn't help. Oh. Yeah, boy. Easy.
No.
You have fallen, friend.
Oh, what the fuck?
We'll get fucked.
Oh,
Ah! Why am I back here?
we gotta perfectly time it.
Like this. Fuck. Like
No, you
this.
almost got it.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Yeah. No.
How may you pass is the real question.
Ah!
No, fuck.
Haha, fuck you.
Fuck you too, retard. No, move. No.
Oh no!
Deserved. What? Impossible.
Impossible.
That was fun. Ah! I'm back here. Fuck that. Fuck that shit.
Guys, I did it.
Hot,
Wait,
look who's
we're back here?
Yeah, you're the one who's back there. Woo! Guess what?
Oh, screw you. Wake up, egg. Eat me. No, eat me. No, you idiot.
Good job, stupid. What do you want the bird to eat? That's kind of gross.
Because I need to.
Are you into? Are you into some like fetish or some shit?
Yeah, I am.
Watch, I'll show you how to do it. Come, bird. Let me eat you. Fucking idiot. Stupid fucking bird.
Oh, I get it.
Eat me, bird. Stupid fucking bird.
This way. Yes, that way.
No, that way. Watch, I'll show you.
Yes.
This way. Stupid fucking bird.
Oh wait, I get it.
I don't.
We need to bring one of these.
Oh, here, I got that. No, I don't.
Oh,
Here.
we can't.
No, we can. Watch. Oh, wait, shit. No, I can't. No, we can't. Watch. I'll show it's done. Fuck. Where's the bird going?
It's going somewhere special.
Ow. Oh, wait a second. Maybe it needs to go up here.
Ah. But why would it go up here?
No idea. Where are you going, Mr. Bird? Where are you going?
Bye, Mr. Bird.
I love you.
Ah!
I'm punching the bird. This is animal abuse right here.
Not
Ow!
allowed. That's not allowed. Oh.
Why does he die?
Oh, because the stop sign. So if it goes beyond the stop sign point, then it dies.
How do we do this? Fucking bird.
Drop the hat here.
No. No.
No, because there's a thing that you can unlock it.
I know, but
Oh, there
if
we go.
we should just pull it up here so it's
There.
easy.
Oh yeah. Okay.
See?
Okay.
Like right
Wait,
here.
no.
Perfect.
There.
Oh.
Oh. Okay,
Well, I
that
did
works.
it even better.
That's even better.
Why is this bird
Okay.
climbing the fuck up here?
Okay. No, Tony, this way. Okay. All right. Ready?
Yes.
No, that's the wrong way.
Jump on me.
You know what? I want the hat this time. You do it. No, I want the hat this time. I want the hat this time.
No.
No! You idiot!
You gotta jump on my corpse.
No, but you have to die on the flat one,
What flower?
like the one on the one on the bottom, not that one. Not that one. This one.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. My hat.
No.
I hate you.
Oh, button! No, let go of the button! Fucking
roasted?
asshole.
Ah! Alright, unlock the button, Tony. No, fuck you. Tony. Tony!
There, it's unlocked.
Oh, fuck you. Fuck
No!
you.
Fuck you.
No!
Ow.
Haha. You outplayed.
Hey, nice.
Oh.
Don't you do it. Here, I'll help you.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, you dumb. You gotta boost yourself. And just like that, I helped you. You're welcome. See? And just like that,
See
you're
what?
here. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, what?
Hell yeah.
What? Oh, just like that, I'm up here.
Just like that, you're here. Oh, I did the combination. Let's go. Okay, just needs no. Why'd you hit it? The thing was about to hit it. There you go.
There, see, all me. See. I know what I'm doing, Andrew. I know what I'm doing.
God damn it. And just like that, I'm here. No, just let no. What are you doing? There you
That.
go.
See, all me. You always
All
question what I do, but in reality, you should question your questioning of me.
What?
See? Did you see that?
Oh.
You saw that.
And just like that, I'm here.
That joke's getting old. Let's come up with
I
a new
know.
one.
Fuck you. That's pretty good.
Great joke. Comedy, like, that's comedy gold.
No, just print it.
That's just like comedy gold, Andrew. You just came up with some comedy gold humor
Comedy
right there.
gold.
Everyone's gonna laugh in the whoever's watching in the video. And this is the cue right now for the editor to put a text saying "laugh now" to the audience. Well, I mean, it's directed to the audience. So yeah. How do you do this? Why am I back here?
Fuck you.
Excuse me, game. Can you please just spawn me up top? I said. I hate this game sometimes. Let me up there.
I hate you sometimes.
Oh my god! Why can't they just respawn? There we go.
No.
Oh, now it looks like we swap places.
The tables have turned.
The tables have turned. Remember from The Incredibles, the one guy? Remember when Mr. Incredible was like, "I saved your life," and then the guy's like, "You didn't save my life."
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What did he say? I don't remember. He said,
you didn't save me. You ruined my day.
"That's what it was. You ruined my day."
Cause the guy was trying to commit suicide.
Yeah, and then Mr. Incredible was like, "No suicide allowed, kids. This is a PG-friendly movie.
Kids, that is my crime.
We
Doesn't
need
pay.
suicide. We cannot stop."
Even though suicide is not a crime.
Hero, and like,
Johnny,
if you think of like The Incredibles plot at the beginning, that's like pretty dark for like a kids film. Kids like, because when I watched The Incredibles, I was like 4. Okay, I did not know what suicide was.
Good.
Exactly. So like, pretty dark tones for a kids
tell
film.
you exactly what it is.
What?
And then your parents tell you exactly what it is. Like, what does that mean?
Mommy, what is suicide? No. Oh.
How?
No. Easy game.
This is stupid.
You're just bad at this game.
Hell yeah. I did it just like that. Ah!
Basically, every time Andrew gets Andrew's dogs bark, I basically have the vision of he's being raped by them.
I have been touched.
I was about to say, I wonder
Alright.
if he heard me say that. It is time for the final
It's
level.
the final
ladies and
level.
gentlemen. The final level. We know it's the final.
Final cat down.
We know it's the final level because the cat is a robot.
What song is this? Hall of Dudes. Oh.
Hall of Dudes. I want to be in the Hall of Dudes. I'm a dude.
Wait. I want to look. Okay, so we got. What the fuck is this?
It's Among Us.
Then we got a weird antler guy. We got Abraham Lincoln. What? We got a fat Abraham Lincoln right there.
Oh, that's
We
pretty
got.
big, man.
What the fuck is this?
Look at this eyeball.
I know, there's the eyeball, there's some lady one, and then there's some
No,
ginger.
you know who I love? I love Dude 1. Look at that boy.
Oh, dude number 1.
Considering he actually has a goddamn name.
And he also is the biggest picture. We got a dinosaur and we got a frog, or is that a fish? We got whatever this is.
tell.
This cloud thing. We got caveman.
And there's just a
with dead
bear.
body.
Why does this
With a dead
bear?
body.
Why does this bear have nipples? And
Shaved
there's
nipple.
stars.
Yeah, and then there's the sock.
Oh, the
Some
sock.
lady. There's some guy with no eyes and this dinosaur. And then this weird fucking thing.
It's a bear. I guess. I really don't
Oh, there's
know.
Hattie. Oh, it's a timer. All right.
Oh, it's the last level. Okay.
All right, Tony, we got this. First try.
Yo, what is this music, man? Ow, shit. This is where they probably were
First
killing
try.
it in the
Pigs.
soundtrack. Come, pig. Yes, pig. Mine.
There we go, Tony.
Ow.
Let's go.
Yo, what is this fire-ass music?
Oh, this is some good music.
Ah! This is where the budget in the studio went. It went all to this music right here.
No. How do you
Oh
do
wait,
this?
I'm stupid. That's
Oh.
how. Except now what? Hello.
Stack. Oh, I get it.
I don't. I like how the announcer just says run.
Yeah.
No, I was so
Oh.
close. Remember how we said first try? This
Oh, the
doesn't
pig
look
just-
like first try to me. Oh, like
Oh.
this. Please, I'm almost there. No!
Yeah, I got this. Okay.
Yeah, you definitely got
No,
this.
We can't win. Oh yes.
It's the jetpack.
No.
You need a better running start. Watch, I'll show you. Easy. Thanks for the jetpack.
I did something. I just spammed that.
Ow.
Just spam the jetpack.
Ah! And just like that, I beat it.
No. Tony, get it.
Yes.
No, we have to match them.
I'm just mashing
There we go, we
whatever.
got that one. There we go,
Yo!
we got that one.
What is the point of that?
Reasons. Tony, help me. No.
Nope.
Oh.
Ow.
How do you... Tony, help me.
I can't, sir.
Alright, go. Go, go, go. We have 10 seconds!
Oh yeah, we didn't do this.
Well, we tried. We actually almost... Oh. We actually almost did it, though. Oh, we got this. Go. We know what to do now. Come on.
No! No! So cool! Oh, I did it! I did it! I barely did that. I
How do
want
you do that? Oh, that's how you do it.
Easy.
Alright, did it?
We are getting
now spam
everything
this.
first try now. Oh wait, I was stupid. We have to
Wait,
throw.
we just got further than we ever gotten.
No.
And it's only been like 5 seconds.
I know,
Wait,
it's only-
Tony,
There,
go.
there.
Yes.
Let me up. Yes.
Yes. Alright. Fuck. How do you do that?
Damn it.
Okay, wait.
Maybe we
Tony, I have an
throw.
idea.
Oh. I thought it would work.
It's
No.
Wait. Oh, it's so close. Oh, you boosted me. Oh my god. Wait, why don't you stand my body on the magma? Oh,
Doesn't
you did it.
help.
Let's go.
Either way, we did it. Let's go. What's this
Wait,
rock
what's this
for?
rock?
Don't know.
I feel like it's important.
Yeah, try to bring it up here if you can.
Like, oh wait, here.
What?
Oh, wait, like it's gonna boost upwards and you have to catch it.
Is it? We'll try. Give it. We'll get
Okay.
it.
So,
Come on, throw.
wait. Fuck. There. Oh, fuck.
Well, whatever the rock was used for, it wasn't
It's not
used
gonna work
properly.
anymore. Alright, go, go, go. No.
Come on, come on. No! Ah!
I made it.
Ah! I'm here, my friend. We got all the gems. Wait, so we got everything. Nice. Nice.
Alright.
Next
Second part,
level.
let's go. What? Oh,
Boat!
Come on, boat.
Come, boat. Fuck.
Wait, keep going. No!
Okay, we need to work together if we want to beat this, Andrew. So I'm gonna stop trolling you and I'm gonna stop killing you randomly.
Yeah, okay.
Taking this.
No! How do you...
There. I disabled it.
Made it.
I didn't.
Fuck. Okay,
Just
so-
kidding, I definitely made it.
We do it. Look, and just like that.
And just like that.
Okay. No, help me up.
Long live the king. Okay, we need to work together if we want to beat this, Andrew. So I'm gonna stop trolling you and I'm gonna stop killing you randomly.
Oh! No!
So close. You got this.
No, I can't make it. No.
I got you. Oh, I had to disable it. I'm stupid. Hold here.
Right,
Hold.
I would have made it anyway.
Stand
Doesn't
here, my
matter.
friend. No, stand here. Stupid. Oh, there we
what's
go.
up?
Stand here.
Okay, go. Alright. Now,
Now, death. That's what.
go. Alright, now what?
That's what.
Oh.
Now what?
Oh, you're supposed to let me pass, but that's okay. I'll make it anyway.
No,
And
you're
just
supposed
like
to.
that, I made it.
Just like that. He's done it.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait, I gotta
Wait.
get off it. I gotta get off it. Go.
Ah.
Why did you jump? There.
Alright.
My turn. Let go. Let go! I said let
I
go!
didn't mean to let go. I didn't mean to I meant to let go.
I'm dead.
Alright, go.
Let go. There we go.
There we go.
Easy.
Okay. Made it. Okay. Come on, Tony.
We have a minute left. We're good. We're good. We're good on time. Now what?
Oh, I just saved you. Okay. Okay, wait. Get ready. Go.
You killed me.
Okay. I don't know what we're supposed to do. Okay, just keep going. Whatever.
Wait a sec. We're
Okay.
back here.
Okay, we're back here.
It says go up. Where's up? Oh, right
Oh, Tony,
here.
look. Yeah.
Throw! Throw!
Oh, no. No.
No, we're
Okay,
not gonna
I
make
got
it.
Hold on. Wait, go. Yes! No!
Wait, we need jetpacks. Oh, up there. We are dumb. We have 6 seconds. Go!
Ah!
Minute. No! So close.
Push the button.
I can't. Give a sec. There, go. Oh, you
Made it?
barely made that. Easy. Go. We're almost there. Hattie, we're coming for you.
Foxy! Okay, alright, here. Go.
I was so close.
We have a minute. Okay, we're good. Okay.
No, we're not. How did I get up there? Oh, wait, I just did
No.
this. No.
okay.
You have to go under. You have to go under.
Okay.
Watch this.
How do you do that?
Like this.
What? Oh yeah, exploits.
No!
You idiot!
It's fine. It's fine. I can do it again.
You made it.
Wait, quick.
I salute you. I truly do. Now let's
Oh,
have Hattie
is it just
on
you?
the pop stand.
I'm the. Oh no, there you are.
Stop messing around.
Oh, there I
Hattie.
am.
Everyone's waiting for us.
He died.
Something's very wrong here.
Hattie, you good?
If you can't carry yourself,
Hattie?
then we'll carry you for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh.
Wait! Everyone's run! Wait, you got Hattie!
I want to
Yo,
go
Patty.
back. I want to go back.
Yeah, let's go back. We can't.
It goes
Okay,
nowhere.
Bring hostage. We got a hostage.
We got Hattie. It's okay, Hattie. Stop crying.
One's
Once
dead.
we get.
Wait, what?
They have
Our
guns?
friends are helping us.
They have guns. What the hell?
Hell yeah! What kind of guns are those? I want one.
They look
And
like.
so we finally made it back to the boat.
We did it!
Exhausting adventure. I bet your dogs are barking.
Wow.
I mean, let's face it. Most
Yeah,
of
my
them
I
dogs
mean,
are
yeah, yours
barking a
are.
whole lot.
I like that.
But now it's time to relax in the
My,
forbidden moonlight
why
of
is our
yesterday's
boat like
promises.
just like
Whatever that
terrible?
means.
I
And
mean,
treat
remember the
ourselves
huge
to a
storm
nice
from the
big
beginning?
mug of
There
hot
are
cocoa.
you.
What
There's
do you
you.
say, Patty?
Hot
He
cocoa.
wasn't his normal jovial self.
Oh no,
He didn't say a
Hattie.
word. He didn't even respond to hugs.
No.
Freaking hugs.
No.
He loves hugs. But he wasn't moving. He wasn't even blinking.
He's
Where's
dead.
he gone to? Where?
No.
Give me that funky
What?
now it's come to
What?
That's how it ends?
That's so stupid.
No. I thought it was gonna be a happy ending. No.
Why?
friend, you were my Paddington.
Also, I just like to point out why the hell is there cats on the boat? Like they're flat on the boat.
Yeah, what the hell? I just noticed that.
Oh,
So,
what the fuck? I'm crying because it's
Dude.
not even a good ending.
no, Hattie.
What the hell? No.
No.
I don't believe this.
That's bullshit. I don't believe.
this.
No, 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 no.
Fake
There's more.
ending.
There's
Fake
more.
ending.
Fake ending. There's gotta be more. There's gotta be an alternate ending to this.
Watch this. Like psych us out. 647 cats
I love you,
were
Hattie.
killed. I love you, Hattie.
So your best friend's a vegetable now.
Let's
Blah, blah,
go.
blah. But you know what they say? When life gives you potatoes,
Wait, no, that's how it ends. He's a. He,
just the recipe. Hit
What?
Buckle your pants, buckle your pants.
Oh, let's go.
Pull up your socks and dance. Buckle your pants.
what?
Buckle your
Oh,
pants.
I like this song.
Buckle your pants. Hey, I said dance.
I dig this song.
Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Ladies, buckle your pants. Gentlemen, buckle your pants.
Buckle your pants, Andrew.
Ladies,
Gonna buckle our pants.
or they might
Gonna
fall
buckle our
off.
pants.
Hey, you.
Shit, I don't got a belt.
Yes, you. Buckle your pants.
He doesn't have pants.
Buckle your pants. But if you don't,
I like this whale on the back.
Yeah.
Oh, that's one of the mayor's people.
Yeah. Hattie. No, I don't like how Hattie is now a vegetable. Like just nothing. Oh. Hello. What?
Let's go. Is that what the theme is when you're playing stuff? Oh? Fuck's sake.
And your dogs ruin everything. Hat.
Yeah. What?
Is Hattie alive? What the hell?
What?
What? Oh, thank God, that bird deserved
Oh,
it.
let's go. The bear died.
oh, I get it. Because of the yes,
What?
it all makes sense now.
What? What?
Let's go.
What? What do you mean it all makes sense now?
It doesn't make sense. Why?
What do you mean? What?
Oh yeah, because that makes a lot of sense, right? It all makes sense, Tony.
I just have like the most confused face right now.
I'm actually confused. What?
What the hell? So I guess our Battleblock playthrough's over. We finished it, but it didn't end up the positive at the end.
Okay, like we thought it was gonna be like a happy ending. We thought we were like, oh, let's go. He's gonna be like happy and stuff. Well, no, he's not.
I like how at the beginning of the Buckle Your Pants song, the announcer just says, well, your friend's a vegetable now, so you're gonna have to live with that. It's like, okay, what? No! No, this is not how he depicted it.
Aww.
I guess we're done then.
Well, shit.